Hi, it's me, Jhermaine, and today I will be discussing about competency-based training. A skilled workforce is one of the basic requirements for achieving sustainable national security and development in any nation, and technical and vocational education is perceived as the key to building this type of skilled technical. In addition to this, it provides technical skills and job-oriented behaviors for individual sustainable life, and it increases a nation's productivity by making economic, efficient, and effective use of resources. Competency-based training in the field of education and in technical vocational education and training. It is an approach to technical vocational education and training that emphasize the development of skills or competences that are actually required in the world of work. Competency-based education training, or CBET. Its focus is from inputs into training to outcomes of training, and the intended outcomes are derived from the requirements of an employment. Next, we have what is competency-based training. It is a structured approach to learning and assessment directed toward assessing individuals to acquire knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values required to perform an activity to a specified standard. Next, competency. Competency is defined in terms of what a person is required to do, under what conditions, and how well. It also involves the ability to draw on and mobilize the knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values to respond to a demand in a particular context according to agreed performance standards. Why use competency standards? The competency used to inform students of program, standards, and expectations. It can be used to create frameworks for assessing effectiveness of programs. They can provide evidence of student learning for professional accreditation. They can also help guide the selection of assessment methods by identifying the types of evidence that students are to produce. They can also inform employers on graduates' skills, and they can guide curriculum planning, but they can do much more than that. Next, we have the vocational education advantages. In the vocational education advantages, what I love the most here is that this system focuses on skills and not just your knowledge. Second, you can be recognized to your prior knowledge. And lastly, one thing which is very important about competency standards is how they help to implement quality. Quality, that qualifications are independent from education and training programs. And this is where we can have quality in education and assessment. That's all, and thank you.